Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up lead scoring in HubSpot. This feature is incredibly useful for prioritizing your most engaged prospects and understanding which leads are worth your team's immediate attention. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools available to you. Next, look to the left navigation bar and hover your mouse cursor over the marketing menu. This will trigger an expanded menu to appear, giving you access to various marketing tools and features. From this expanded sidebar, locate and click on the option labeled lead scoring. This is where all the magic happens for ranking and prioritizing your contacts based on their behavior and fit with your business. When you click into lead scoring, you'll see an option that says start from scratch. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a prompt where you'll need to make some important decisions about what you want to score and how you'd like to score them. You'll see options to score contacts and companies using different methods such as engagement score, fit score, or contact combined score. Each of these scoring types helps you measure different aspects of your leads, whether it's how engaged they are with your content or how well they match your ideal customer profile. After you've selected your preferred scoring parameters, click on Create. This confirms your choices and takes you to the next stage where you can really customize your scoring model. Now it's time to set the specific criteria for your lead scoring. Here, you can add event groups and property groups. Event groups allow you to score leads based on actions they take, like opening emails or visiting specific pages on your website. Property groups let you score based on characteristics such as company size or job title. This flexibility ensures your scoring reflects what matters most to your business. Finally, look at the top menu where you can further refine which contacts to score and how you'd like to score them. You'll have options to base your scoring on property labels, fit score values, or engagement score values. This gives you complete control over how leads are ranked and prioritized in your system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.